Wix for small business, creating own website. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this platform called Wix to build our own website. We can easily do it even for free. Of course we have paid plans, but we'll discover them a little bit later. So here we are on wix.com, and we just simply need to click on get started. After a small registration, we'll come to our dashboard. We can easily create an account with Gmail, or we can easily create a separate account. So just simply click on create a new site in the right top corner on this blue button right up here to start creating our website. And after that we'll come to the page with different questions where we need to describe what kind of website are you creating. I suggest you to click on skip in the right bottom corner to make it easier, because we can easily get access to all the templates by Wix. So all you need to know that Wix provides us the opportunity to use their templates, and after that just simply customize them. Click on begin with the template on the last page, and we'll come to the page where we can find all the templates together. As you can see, there are a lot of different templates, and in order to make it easier to find, they're divided into different categories: business and services, store, creative, community, and blog. So if you're going to create our small business website, we just simply need to find something suitable as for us. So if you don't have your category among all the categories here, you can easily find the most suitable template as for you, and after that we'll customize every single part of the pages. So let's say that you have a half business, and I would like to see what kind of templates do we have. And in order to preview, I'm going to click on view to see the structure, to see how will it look like. And as you see, it's like pretty simple. We can find some information, find services, and also we can contact the owner of the business, maybe to buy something or to get some some stuff. So in order to use this template, just simply click on edit this site. So you need to find the most suitable template as for us, and in a few seconds our website will be automatically creating according to this template, and we can easily start adding our content, start managing our content on the website. So as you can see, we can use the AI to create some content, but I'm going to close this window. And firstly, I recommend you to click on site design in the left side menu and manage all the things we can do. So manage color theme. Sometimes it could be really helpful to change it according to your point of view. How would you like to see your business website? In my case, I'm going to use this palette, as for me it's pretty cool. And also I recommend you to interact with a text theme. I'm going to click on change text theme, and I would like to use this one here. And also I would like to change page transitions. As you know, it makes user experience much better through your color palette, through your fonts pack, through your animations, and so on. So now we are ready to interact with a wall design, and as you can see, our website was created from different sections, like this welcome page section, this information section, this contact section, and we can easily interact with them. For example, if we don't want them to use, for example, this, we can easily click on more, click on delete, and our section will be automatically deleted. We can also add a section. I would like to add maybe, let's say, about section once more. Let's say we want to add some information like this. So as you can see, now we can manage content we have. In order to do it, we just simply need to click on the necessary object, and as you can see, we can change the position, change the different stuff. In order to manage text, we just simply need to click, and now we can change what's inside. So we can change the text, manage themes, fonts, make it bold, italic, underlined, alignment, bullets numbering, and so on. So as you can see, it's easy to understand how to deal with it. And in order to manage our photo, we need to click, and as you can see, it was performed as a column image. We need to click on change column background, and now we can change it, for example, to fruits. Why not? We can upload our own photo, and after that everything will be ready. And the same way we need to do with every single object on our website. Change the description, change this article, change this huge text, change contact form, and so on. And as you can see, our website is created from different pages: homepage, services, areas of expertise, and so on. In order to manage it, we need to click on pages and menu in the left side menu, and after that we'll be able to delete the unnecessary parts or delete the unnecessary pages. In my case, I'm going to delete this stuff here, this contact page, and also areas of expertise. And let's say that we want to add some additional page. In order to do it, we need to click on add a page in the bottom of the screen, and here we can find all the templates we have: about, services, projects. Let's say that we want to add projects. If you don't have the page you would like to add in this menu, you can click on blank page and then just simply create it by yourself. So I would like to add this page, and also let's say that we'd like to add a page with the blank stuff. And in order to add elements, we need to click on plus here and then just simply add what do we need: text, images, button, stripe, decorative, box. Let's say that we would like to add a text, huge text right up here, and also I would like to add a button. So let's click on button. I would like to use this button here. I would like to resize it. And now we have a page with the text and the button only, maybe to, like, subscribe to our Instagram or something like this. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on publish in the right top, click on save and continue. Of course, I have to, customize every single part of content, but in order to show you as an example, I'm going to use this stuff. So now we can click on done, and our website was automatically published to the internet. So now we can even click on view site, and according to this link here, we can share it with our customers, with our friends, and they can easily visit it. It's available on the internet. So yeah, nothing hard. Now we can easily close this stuff, click on Wix logo in the left top and go to our dashboard. And from this page here, we can easily manage some other important things. We can manage marketing and SEO, analytics and reports, billings and payments, and so on. If you want to know more about these pages, about these folders, I suggest you to watch my other tutorials on this playlist you can see right up now. And if you are new to this channel, I suggest you to subscribe, because I will create more tutorials about Wix. So yeah, this is a way of how to create a website for your small business. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.